So how do you turn on the night mode on iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one. Okay, so night mode is kind of a broad topic, so let me cover all of the things that you could mean by that, right? So first of all, the night mode might be the dark mode and like flipping the white background to dark background to make it look better during night, right? And you can find it in your control center when you swipe down like this. Hold down on the brightness slider and you can enable the dark mode, which, as I said, will turn the white parts of the settings and all of the random apps and make it look darker, right? So it's easier on the eyes. Then there is also the night shift, which is technically night mode as well, but this is blue light filtering, right? So it makes the screen look a little bit more yellow because it filters out the blue light, which is also a good idea for the night, right? So that's something that you might want to set up. Of course, in the settings and in the display and brightness, you can also manage like the automatic scheduling of those modes and the intensity and stuff like that. So go through these settings if you are interested. On the other hand, the night mode might be referred to the camera mode, right? So inside of the camera during night, whenever you're capturing something, there is a night mode feature. It can only be triggered when it shows up like the moon icon right there, and it only shows when it's like a dark environment based on the sensors, right? But you have the ability to click on it and choose it to be like 10 seconds maximum, depending on like the surrounding light. But it just means that the photo will take 10 seconds to be captured to just get as much light into the sensor as possible, right? So this is the night mode, but specifically for the camera, right? And that's how you can use it. So let me know in the comments below if I covered all of the things you had in mind, and if not, then let me know about that. It's possible I'll make an updated video just about that, but most definitely stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, right? So stay tuned and I'll see you later in those videos.